Hi, good morning all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. I did pretty well. Let's see what we have right now in our 4 hour chart, A mini. It's a very clear picture, like you can see right now we are fighting. I have changed a few trend lines, like you can see there is no more blue trend line at the bottom, and like the targets have been changed. So right now the first target we have is 244ish, we can trade anywhere. So this area here, like we can poke, and it can make this thing here. Let me draw that. I think you guys can add this line here today, like cause this they might try to make the bull strap again, and like we can make some benefit of that too. Let me change the color to blue and order it as it's as I think we can do something like that. Like there is a chance that we can poke through this blue trend line today, or this thing here, like, and then we see a bad flush. We need to go down. We are trading down. Today I have taken a picture here, which, just to explain you guys, let's say this is the same picture, but like upside down. Let's say instead of starting from here, the chart starts from here. Like it's completing its bottom, and the bottom breakout is somewhere around this area or this area. After the bottom is completed, I mean, we're just assuming that this is a long chart, and this is a bottom completing. This was a short sell for a long time, and then we're gonna go high. So like after this completes, the ultimate target would be at least this guy here, and after this it will be this, and after this will be this. So like these things here, these guys here, in a bigger picture, they're on a sideways. They are not counted as in supports or targets. Like the major target will be this, which is 19, about 80 something. Then we're gonna have this about 1918. Then we're gonna have this. So like where we gonna stop. Let's see where we stop. But like bottom has been completed. In another picture, like if there are a few guys who can just see the charts right when it's long. So like you can see that it's getting a bottom completed, and then we're gonna go up, in a inverse, in a opposite position. So that said, so like right now there are chances that like we can poke a little bit high. Today is Thursday, guys. There is a high chance we can go a little bit high, and then we see a flush, or at the end of a day we see a flush. Tomorrow it's going to be a profit taking day, third week. But what happened on third week? It's something there should be very important. Fourth week, monthly guys will be taking some positions. So third week, what they will try to do is, if they are here, they will try to dump more stocks. They'll try to dump more so that the price can go more aggressively down towards their side if they're shorting, or the price goes up if they're long. So as of now, we are clearly, like the picture is very clear that monthly guys are shorting this guy. So like they might gonna dump at the end of a day today and tomorrow, closing at the low, and next week weekly guys will be dumping, and monthly guys will be taking their profit. So it's gonna be again sideways. So as of now, two targets as of now. Till the time we are not breaking below 2026, it's still kind of a sideways to bounce. We need to break towards this. After this, we can add these targets, but they are not very important targets for me. I mean, these targets you can add. Oh, what did I do? Okay. What we can do here is price action. I mean, you can add these guys, but they don't have much meaning to it. These levels, eventually after this it's going to be a flush. So they cannot hold much of it. So till the time we are not below 2023, 2024, it's better to short. It's better to short swing, but swing for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, whatever you can get. And long scalps, anything going up, it's dragging. Yesterday was a drag. Slowly it's going up and up and up and up. And like before going, I put a short order. I said let me sell with a 10-15 point stop loss, and I made some good money, without even trading. But that's not advisable as of now. We need to get to the niche of it, that exactly what chart is talking to us and what can happen. So before FOMC report, I mentioned at 1 o'clock that so many emails are coming, bigger picture, we are going down. It's a bull trap. Why it was a bull trap? Because we don't have to see really what FOMC are doing. The institutions know way before than us, So their price action is telling us everything. What exactly is going on? Right now, very bearish. Right now, we need to go down. Right now, they can try to trap more, because after 2023-24, it's going to be a flush. It's going to be a panic that, okay, we're gonna go to 2018, then we're gonna go to 2011, then people are gonna think we're gonna go to 2000 as a round number, but we're gonna go below, which is 93. So it's going to be a panic sell. There are a lot many dip buyers coming. Yesterday it was a blast from newsletters, all good big newsletter guys. They are sending emails to be in cash and this and that. How I know? I'm getting so many emails from guys. They say I subscribe to this guy and that guy. They're saying get into cash and all that. So what they're trying to do is they tell you to buy here, and they tell you here, okay, go in cash. We covered in a small loss or something. So right now it can be a panic sell. So be prepared to make some good money in a panic sell. Again, 2023-24, it's a flush. Above that, there is a chance of bounce, but these are the targets: 244, this blue trend line, or 257. Anywhere we can stop, and we can just see the flush, guys. Let's see what we have in our CL. So many emails about CL that SK, what's going on with the CL and all. After this kind of a rally, it's just a sideways to the pullback. It's not really bearish or something. It should not have took this support, honestly, 48ish, but it did took. You can see it's trying to kind of balance it out here, but we're going to make this line here and here. So we have two targets below, 47, and then we have a target 45.65. Until then also it's good. There is a chance that they can go down and they can test this level or this level, but the chances were less. But the bigger picture, whole time is from days to months. Bigger picture is we are long in oil. We are going higher. I was down here, 32 or 33 when I was sharing that we are going up. So the rally is almost about $28, no, $18. So so we need to be sure, that what our price action is, what we are trying to do. And over here the price action was so strong. Now right now the guys are taking profit. It's a profit taking time going on, little bit of a pullback, just taking a rest, and then it's gonna take a rest and then explode towards the upside again. Definitely bullish. Bigger picture, shorter picture, right now it looks like this is leg one. If you're a swing trader for a day or two, it looks like it's leg one. It can give us sideways to a deeper pullback still. Expected target is 45.65. Bigger picture going up. Right now we can take some short swings, but I don't want to get into the day trading of this thing or a quick trading of this thing. Then I get so many emails during the daytime what to do with that. Then I confuse you guys with this and E-mini and gold and all that. This thing has honestly, this thing has really little bit disappointed me yesterday after taking this guy here, 1257. But again, this is, if let's go to the monthly guy. 4-hour has disappointed me, but I have not taken this position from a 4-hour chart. I have taken this position. There you go. I've taken this position from a monthly breakout. As long as we are above monthly breakout, which is 1200, I'm long. We are going up. It's a bigger picture. But as of now, maybe the market is bearish. And yesterday there were so many emails being sent to go in cash. Emotional guys are selling. There is a lot many things are happening. I believe there are some. I haven't read the FOMC report, but I'm going to read it today. And I believe they are talking to increase some rate and all the real estate and bank shares are going up. I haven't read it, like I was busy, like with my family yesterday, but like I'm gonna see that what exactly is going on here. So as of now, we're just gonna focus on our E-mini. E-mini is bearish. It's time to make money. 2026, below 2026, it's going to be a flush. Before that, be sure that what you're doing. You look at that, man. Look at. I mean, wow, it's so beautiful. It's just gonna go. I can't wait to see that price action, because it's gonna be money minting month or money minting week or whatever it's gonna be. It's gonna be so much fun. So right now, until and unless we don't take 2023 or 4, sideways to low, not high. Any bounce short, this blue trend line is a target they might take. This dotted blue trend line, they might poke here and see the flush. These are the few small targets. So any bounce coming here, any bounce, we are shorting. We are not going long. Any bounce, like what happens sometime is, when we see like we're at the end, maybe what bears are trying to do, they want to bring next month as a climax month, and then they go with all low and all highs next month. We poke all these targets, and at the end of a month, we go higher. So higher probability sideways to down. Lower probability is the little bit of a bounce, but any bounce, I personally gonna short this bounce. I'm shorting the hell out of this bounce. Any bounce here is a shot with the stop still 69, 2069.70ish. This is a swing trade shot. You can put your stop here, you can let it ride, and it's gonna go sideways to break down. Target is anything below 2023. The ultimate target will be 1993. So like a beautiful setup setting up. Be ready to make some good money on this, guys. And from tomorrow, from this Saturday, we're gonna send we have got about 30 more emails. So we're gonna send all the videos. We're gonna start teaching, and like it's going to be very good. It's going to be a different picture altogether of the market. You guys gonna see it's going to be professional side. I'm gonna take you out of the retail side. All retail side is a trap. We're gonna be out of the retail side, and we're gonna go towards the professional side and trade us in a profit every single month. So that's the focus. Thank you, guys. Good luck. Today's my anniversary. I married my wife 6 years ago, and she surprised me. I was so tired yesterday. I slept. I didn't buy anything for her, so it's kind of embarrassing. Gonna trade very less, and I'm gonna go and buy something for her and surprise her too. Thank you. Bye bye, and have a good one. See you at my Twitter account. Bye, guys.